In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find old Dragon Slayer Dark Souls 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to make a very quick guide on the general direction that you have to go towards to reach the old Dragon Slayer boss. I apologize for not being able to show you hands-on gameplay experience, but you will be able to follow along to find him. So, the first place that you will have to go to is Hades Tower of Flame. So head over to Hades Tower of Flame. So in the Tower of Flame, you will be able to proceed forward until you reach an encounter with this dragon. The easiest way to kill this dragon is by using a bow from the lower area. However, this can be very tedious. Basically, you will need to get rid of him before proceeding. After you get rid of this dragon, it will drop a petrified dragon bone and a white dragon parma. On the platform where it dies, you will be able to find a contraption. This contraption raises when you approach, and there's going to be a lever. If you pull that lever, this will bring down a bridge, allowing you to access the Cathedral of Blue. So this is the drawbridge that you need to lower. When you go inside of the Cathedral of Blue, on your first steps, you will begin with a boss fight. So right before the mist, you will find a corpse holding an old radiant life gem, and next to it, an iron chest with 5 human effigies. Once you step through the mist, you will immediately be met with the old Dragon Slayer. So, to keep it simple, in summary, you need to start on Hades Tower of Flame, go forward until you reach this platform with the dragon. It should be quite obvious, and on this platform, you will be able to find a contraption with a lever. By pulling this lever down, you will lower the drawbridge to the Cathedral of Blue, and immediately you will be met with the old Dragon Slayer. There is no secret to this, and he should be the first opponent that you will find once you go over to the new location. I hope I was able to help you on how to find old Dragon Slayer Dark Souls 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.